Hey singers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more vocal technique insights, and also it's just really going to help me out with the channel. So today we're going to be diving into the world of the larynx and how it can be an absolute game changer for your voice. So if you want to sing with more freedom and less strain, then this video is 100% for you. So stay tuned and let's talk about it. So the larynx, also known as your voice box, is located in your throat and it's where your vocal cords live. Its position while singing can majorly affect everything from tone to vocal health. Many of you have probably gotten feedback, I know for sure I have, where you get told to stop singing from the throat. And this often means that your larynx is just riding too high. So let's talk about learning how to lower the larynx and why it can be so helpful. First of all, it really creates a deeper resonating space, leading to a richer and fuller tone. Think of it like a guitar body. Bigger equals bigger sound. It can also expand your low range, since those low notes really resonate easily in the expanded vocal tract space. And then maintaining a neutral or slightly lowered larynx really reduces vocal strain from constantly rising up. This is going to prevent vocal damage. And yeah, so let's get to working on it. Let's work on optimizing the larynx positioning. In this case, we're talking about lowering the larynx, especially if you're experiencing that strain and tension. So stay tuned. And in a moment, I'm going to run you through some exercises to help lower your larynx. Hey singers, I just finished another 6 weeks of my Become a Self-Diagnostic Singer program, and this stuff is really working. I'm seeing the singers in my program gain confidence, expand their range, and really take control of their voices. If you want to unlimit your potential to become a true vocal pro, then this live coaching program is 100% for you. What you'll get is 2 hours of weekly online vocal coaching with me. You'll get a weekly 30-minute support call to make sure that you're staying on track. You'll get instant access to program materials, vocal warm-ups, and workouts on my Voice Savvy app, and you'll have the tools to assess and strengthen your voice independently. The lifelong skills you'll develop will reduce your reliance on vocal coaches, which is going to save you money, and you will grow adept at assessing and attending to your own voice. Spots are limited for the next round, so if you're serious about leveling up your vocals, now is the time. Hit me up, let's chat, and yeah, click the link below to learn more, and I can't wait to help you unleash your inner superstar. First of all, to find your larynx, I want you to place 2 fingers on your Adam's apple, and then I want you to swallow. You'll feel your larynx go up and then come back down again. And then we're going to start with the yawning technique exercise, which naturally just drops the larynx. And I must warn you, this one really can make you want to yawn. It always makes me want to yawn. So yeah, so let's do this. It really makes me want to yawn. You could go into a little bit of vocal fry at the bottom there. Some good yawning happening. So the next exercise is the dopey bo bo bo, as in book, and I'm going to take this one to the scale.
Really just sitting into those notes. Place your 2 fingers on your larynx as you do it, so that you're aware of your larynx, the positioning. Try and keep the larynx a little bit more on the neutral lower side. Keeping it nice and relaxed as you ascend. And we're almost done. Well done.
You can apply these vocal exercises into your favorite song melodies, and doing the bo exercise before you sing on the melody is really just going to help to lower the larynx and open up your voice. Now, if you want more free training and challenges, you can download my Voice Savvy app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play. And that's it for the exercises. Let me know how you get on in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, then like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And yeah, just before I go, remember that with all new techniques, it takes consistency, it takes practice, you know. If you put in the work, you'll get the results. And don't force your larynx down. Find what feels easy and natural day by day. All right, I think we're done here, and yeah, I'm out. So I will see you soon. Peace.